Good morning, how are you? My name is Bongilis Banda. I'm guiding people on cruise ship requirements or on the cruise ship journey. People who are interested to know more about cruise ship and they want to try. You guys are free to ask me anything. Yes, I'll provide answers based on my knowledge. If I don't know anything, I'll be honest with you, but I'll do some research and come back to you. So today we want to talk about the medical examination. People are coming to me, they are asking me, Sibo, what do they really test? Yes, I've been trying to list, but people are saying, Sibo, can you please provide detailed information? So I did some research here. I've got a little notebook with me. So the first thing, they do a general examination. They do a physical examination. On this physical examination, it's general assessment of physical health. So it includes your height, it includes your weight, it includes blood pressure, and conducting a physical exam. So what does it mean? It means that they are checking your height, but trust me, you can get a job even if you're short. I've seen people that are short, are very short in a cruise ship, but they are just checking these people. They are just checking your height. Then they need a weight that is reasonable, of course. So if you know your weight is maybe over 80, over 100, let's just say over 100, please just work on it. But this doesn't mean there are no people in the cruise ship who are over 100 or so. Once you get a job, and as long as you do your medical at first and you pass, then you're good to go. It's only the first time when they're a little bit strict. The other reason why I'm trying to clarify this information is because some people, they are having questions of which if I don't give you detailed information, they will not know if they qualify. And the other thing also, I'm not the one who qualifies people, it's the doctor. Whatever disease, we'll get to that topic also. Whatever disease that you have, is the doctor who is going to qualify you. All right, so others were asking me, Sibo, do they do pap smear or things like that? Here's the thing about this, guys, it depends. It depends with the position and the ship. You understand? I am a food handler, so my tests are a little bit more. I remember when I went to do my medical examination, they had to do so many tests which they don't do on other positions. Why? Because I am a food handler. I was having a problem with my stomach. They did some tests and they prescribed something for me, and they said we will not qualify you if you don't come back with changes. We find something in your stomach, you need to clean it out. So the reason why is because I am a food handler. How can they qualify me when I have a problem with my stomach? Because they said it's transmitted through surfaces. If you touch a surface and you for example, I touch a surface, then one guest or one crew member come and touch that surface, and that same person we are working together with the guest, they touch their food and eat, then we have it. So they made sure they cleared that. I went in for the second time, I was okay. So they don't qualify you if you have that, because you infect the whole ship. So they have to make sure. All right, we're gonna go on senses testing. On senses testing, they test your eye and hearing test to assess vision and hearing ability, which are crucial for various duty on board. So what does it mean? They need to know if you can hear properly. There are people who doesn't hear properly. Guys, there are so many things that happens in the ship. There is emergency in the ship, you need to hear. There's an announcement in the ship, you need to hear. You're working on duty, your manager says something to you need to be able to hear. Also to see, you need to be observant, you need to see, you understand, you need to check. Even if you are working in a restaurant, on a normal day when it's not busy, you need to be observant, you need to be checking what's going on. Are there people fighting? If you see people fighting, if you see any problem, there are people that you have to call, you understand? So they test all those things. For you to be able to work, you need to pass all these things. But it's not really that hard. It's not really that hard. So guys, this is my video for now. This is my video. Please follow me for more information about cruise ship job. I would appreciate you if you follow me for more information about cruise ship job. One last thing, people were asking me Sibo, can you tell us about cancer? Do they test for one lady say pap smear? And I said it depends. I'm a food handler, but they did not test for that because it was not I was not supposed to be examined for that. But my friend is a chef at Virgin Voyages. They had to test that. So it depends with the ship and the position. I hope you get that. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Cheers.